Lightning echoes in the sky, silver meteors rushing by. Every street in neon blue still reminds me just of you. Fading whispers in the rain, softly calling out your name. Empty roads beneath the glow of the world we used to know. Every heartbeat starts to climb like a storm against the time. Through the darkness we ignite, turning silence into light. Lightning echoes over endless nights, burning like 1,000 lights. Through the thunder, through the rain, we will rise above the pain. Even when the stars grow dim, even when the edge looks grim, we will light another sun. From the fire we become. Lightning echoes burning bright, shining through the endless night. Every spark becomes a light. Lightning echoes rising high, lighting storms across the sky. Every beat calls out your name. Crimson clouds above the tide, every truth we try to hide. Through the chaos, through the flame, still I'm caught